Johnny, historically payments were designed to be used at a national level, but with the advent of globalisation, they've had to be adapted to be used internationally. Is this true of cryptocurrencies?
Well, it's interesting. The CEO of Coinbase, a chap called Brian Armstrong, earlier this year put out a Twitter saying, "What happens when the cost of moving money is actually free?" And when you look at it, it used to be relatively cheap to actually send text messages, but still people didn't send that many compared to the number of WhatsApp messages, because WhatsApp messages are actually free, and it's become arguably a better way to communicate, and people actually send more messages. And so therefore, what happens when the cost of moving money using a digital currency, a cryptocurrency, is actually free? Because obviously the cost of moving fiat, there are costs and charges and various intermediaries involved. And we're about to see a revolution in the payment sector, which could mean they do become effectively free. We've seen the Chinese government announce they're extending the use of its digital currency now to a selection of much larger cities, including Beijing. So clearly they're trying to roll that out across its country. Ripple claimed that it has $16 billion dollars worth of XRP tokens, and its CEO claims that it's actually wants to be the Amazon of payments and really disrupt that whole sector. And what we're seeing is companies like Coil and Medium who are now paying people for their data, their information. Another company is Electroneum, and again, that's very heavily involved in micropayments, having recently launched AnyTask, which is a competitor to Fiverr. So even the banking giant, Goldman Sachs, they're looking to create their own coin. And it's the ability to make free payments or payments that don't cost anything that could save up to 60 billion a year in the global remittance market and unlock huge micropayments as the web migrates from a business model around free content to one which is being subsidized by using other people's data, such as Google and Facebook, to actually paying viewers for their attention, their loyalty with micropayments using a digital asset.